Hey everyone, welcome back to Python tutorial series for beginners. In this video, we will learn more methods related to list data type. Let us see another function of list, that is index method. So what does index method do? It returns the index of first occurrence of a value. Okay. In list, we know that the same value can be present multiple times at different indexes, right? So the index function returns the index of first occurrence of a value in the list. Okay, let us see the syntax. It is name of the list dot index, then the value, okay, which we want to check the index of, okay. This is the value of which we want to check the index, okay. Then the second parameter is start and the end parameter is end. So value is the value of the element whose index I want to check in a list. Okay. Start is the index in the list from where the search should begin. Okay. By default, it is 0. The value is 0. What is the end parameter? The index in the list where the search should end, but not including the end index. The search will include the elements up to the end index, but not include the end index. Okay. The default value is length of the list. So these two parameters, start and end, are optional. If we don't give, it will consider entire list. It will take entire list into consideration to search for this value and return its index. Let us see an example. Let us take a list 10, 20 and 30. Let us try to print the index of 20. Since we know start and end are optional, so I have not given it right now. It will consider its default value, that is 0, and the length of the nums list. Okay. So it will take entire list into consideration while searching for the value 20. Let us see. It's 1. Why? Because index function returns the index of the given element, first index. So 0, 1. 20 is occurring one time in the list, and this is the first occurrence of 20. So it will give this index, and the index is 1. Let us see another example by giving start and end. Let us create another list. Let us add few elements here. 10, 20, 30. Let us give 40. Let me give 20 again. And I want to repeat 20. So I've given 20 again. Let me give 60. Okay. Then let me try to print the index of this 20. Right. Dot index. I want to look for the value 20. But I don't want this 20. I want my search to start from 30, let's say. What is the index of 30? 0, 1 and 2, right? Then what is the length? Let me give the length of the list. It is 6. Okay, let me execute it. So it gave me the index of 20 as 4. Why? See, because the index is 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This 20's index is 4 because my search started from the second index, that is 30. So in this list, in this search list, the index of 20 is 4. Okay, so that is why I got 4. So basically, by using index function, I can find the occurrence, the index of a given value, and also I can give the search start point and the end point of the search. Okay, and if I try to find the index which does not exist, let us say I try to find the index of the value 99. 99 is not present in my list. What will happen? Value error. Why? Because X is not in the list. Okay. The next function of list which we are going to learn is count method. So what does count method does? It counts occurrence of a value. Let us see the syntax. It is the name of the list dot count and the value which we want to count, that how many times it is present in the list. Let us create a list. 1, 2, let us give another 2, 1 more. Fine. Let us apply count function. Print nums dot count and let us count how many times 2 occurs in this list. 3. 1, 2, and 3. The another function which we want to learn is sort function. Sort. What it does? It sorts the list. Like the name suggests, it sorts the given list. Let us see the syntax. It list, the name of the list, dot sort. Let us take an example. Let us take a list of numbers. Let us say 3, 1, 4, 1 more, 2. Yeah. Now, let us sort it out. Let us apply the sort function. Let us see what happens. Print nums. So, it gave the number in the list in the sorted order. Okay. So, nums got sorted into the ascending order. But if we want to sort it in descending order, what I need to do? I need to give a parameter inside the sort function with parameter name is reverse with the value true. That we want to reverse the order. Let us execute. So it will return the list in descending order. The next function which we will be learning for list is reverse method. What does it do? It reverses the element order in place. Okay. So in the list itself, it will reverse the order. Let us see the syntax. The name of the list and reverse function. Simple. Let us take a list. 1, 2, 3. Let's do nums dot reverse. Let us print nums. 3, 2, 1. It reverses the order. The next method of list which we want to learn is copy method. What it does, it creates copy of the given list. How does the syntax looks like? It is the name of the list dot copy. Let us take example. A equal to 1, 2, 3. Let us take another variable b equal to, let us do a dot copy. We want to copy the list A into variable B. Let us see. Let us print out B. So now B is also having the values 1, 2 and 3. Now let's add a value, an element in B. How do we do that? We learn to use append function. We need to use append function. Value 4. Now let us print A and let us print B. So A is still 1, 2, 3 and B in the list B we added the element 4. So it is having 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So it did the copy of A and saved into B. So B is having the copy of the list which was there in A, not the same list. Okay. Anything which we are going to perform, any operation which we are going to perform on the list B will not affect the original list A. Okay. Let us learn the next method of list, that is delete by index. Let us see the example. Let's take a list 5, 6, 7. Let us use del nums and let's say 1. So what it will do, if we write del nums 1, 1 is the index. So it will delete the element which is present at this index. Let us print nums. So it will delete the element 6 because index of 6 is 1. So it will delete this element 6 and nums list will be left with 5 and 7. So in this video, we learn different methods of list data type of Python. Now some practice time. So these are some of the questions on the list data type on which you can do the hands-on. In case you face any difficulty with any of the questions, do let me know in the comment section. I will get back to you. In the next video, we will be learning about another important data type of Python, that is dictionary.